All right, there's a couple good questions. The first one is a combination question. Lottery game, numbers from 1 to 42. And the way it works is you have to pick four numbers. So if I'm looking for probability, the bottom, the total number of ways that that four numbers could be chosen from 42 would be 42, choose four. That'll give you all the different possibilities of four numbers being drawn. I did that over here, and the number came out to be, oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. I'll do it again. So functions, stats, choose. So 42, comma, 4. 111,930. So the total number of ways that could happen is 111,930. And then this Martin guy, he goes and buys 3 tickets. So if he buys 3 tickets, he'd have 3 ways of winning. So your answer would be 3 over 111,930. I think you can simplify that. 3 will go into itself once, and 3 goes into this bottom thing. I think it's 37,310. So 37,310. Okay, that's that one. The next question has to do with exponential or logarithmic functions. It says radioactive isotope has a half-life of 1450 years. So just that statement right there gives me some information. So my formula is P of t equals P0 e to the kt. Now, the half-life means if I start, say, with 50, then I'll go down to 25 in that many years. So that's what t is. So I have k times 1450. I need an e in there. E to the k. Now let me rewrite it. I forgot the e. So 50e to the k times 1450. Okay, now to solve for k, I first need to divide each side by 50. So I get the half on the left side. And then this side I have e to the k times 1450. Now to change, or to solve for k, change it to log form. So log base e of 0.5 is equal to k times 1450. And then we'll divide both sides by 1450. So, and log base e we know is ln of 0.5 over 1450 is equal to k. Let me do that on my calculator here. So ln, where's ln? I don't see it there. Whoops. Okay, functions. Ln or log. Oh, there's log. I don't see what that base is. Oh, there's ln right there. Ln of 0.5 bracket divided by 1450. Okay, so negative, and we knew it was going to be negative because the thing is getting lighter. It's losing mass. And so it'd be negative 0.04262 4620. So that's my k value. So that's the way that it's decaying. Then they say how many years will it be required to have a given amount to decay to 80% of its amount. So here I've got to use the same formula. I'll put it right beside. So, whoops. Right beside. So P of t equals P0 e to the kt. So to 80%. So that means they're starting with 100%. And it's decaying to 80%. So 80 would go on this side. E to the k, I now know k. Where was my k number? Well, it's typed in there. Well, it looks like I erased it. Anyway, k is negative 0.0462 times t. Same game, divide both sides by 100, so I'll get 0.8 is equal to e to the negative 0.0462 times t. Change it to log form. Log base e of 0.8 is equal to negative 0.0462. Whoops. What happened to my pen? 462t. Log base e is the same thing as ln. So ln of 0.8 divided by negative 0.0462 should be equal to t. So let's do that over here. So ln. Where did all my stuff just go? Just got erased there. Here we go. Ln. I have to go under functions. And I have to go to ln of 0.8 bracket divide negative 0.0462. There we go. 4.83, call it. 4.83. So time 4.83. So that would be years. So how many years? 4.83. If they wanted me to round it to the closest year, 5 years. All right, hopefully that helps you with those two questions. I really like the second one.